Now, good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. Now, in term one, last activity, add the following by forward counting. What is that? Add the following by forward counting. Means you go forward, you go front, you moving forward. Okay, you are getting some numbers, Amma. 15 and a 16. You get how much? Now count it, children. 15 after you count start, because this is a forward method. You going on forward because you going on move on forward. అంటే ముందుకు వెళ్ళడం. Okay. So now tell me 15 after count it, children. 15 after what comes? 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So 15 plus 6, how much, Amma? 21. 15 plus 6, you get 21. So that is you should write in this box 21. Now next again here get some numbers, that is 21 plus 4. 21 and 4. You are counting same as this. 21 after you are counting. 21 after 22, 23, 24 and 25. Write in this box 25. Okay. Now please copy it, Amma. Please copy it first. Now one more. Next one is a 49 plus 3. 49 plus 3. You get how much? Write in this box. Here 49. You take and only 3. You are taking how many balls? Only 3 balls. Now next one. 57. 57 plus 7. Right here, how much you get? Now next the same as it is. 57 plus 7. So you are getting only 4. Now you are taking one more 3. 1, 2 and a 3. Now same as it is, Amma. What is this? 49 plus 3. You are counting same as it is. 49 after you are counting. You will start from 49 after. 49 after 50, 51 and 52. 50, 51 and 50, 50, 51, 52. Okay. So 49 plus 3. You get how much, Amma? 52. Write in this box 52. Now next 57 plus 7. So you are counting 57 after 7 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 57 after you are counting. Sorry. 57 after you will start. 57 after 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63 and 64. How much, Amma? 64. 59 plus 7. You get 64. Write in this box how much, Amma? 64. Okay, please copy it, Amma. Now next one, add and the abacus. Second bit, add and the abacus. Now next one, second bit, add and the abacus. Add on the abacus. Okay, add on the abacus. Now tens and a ones. Now write it, Amma. First, coming from ones, Amma. Here count it how many beads are there in the ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In a ones, 5 beads are there. So write in this box 5. Now next one, Amma. Here in tens. In tens, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 beads. 3 means 1 bead indicated for 10. Oka bead indicated 10. So 10, 20 and 30. 10, 20, 30. Because this is in the tens place. So tens place no, every point and every bead indicated 10. Every bead indicated for 10. So here 3 beads are there. So 10, 20 and 30. So write in this box 30. Now 30 plus 5. Now count it, Amma. 30 after 5. 30 after 5. 30 after 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. You get 30 plus 5, 35. Write in this box 35. Now please copy it. Now 1, 2 more are there. You have kept in your mind tens. In a tens indicated oka bead 10 ki equal. Oka bead 10 ki equal. Means here 3 beads are got 30. Here ones, so how to count, Amma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. But in tens you are counting 10, 20, 30 like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. Because this is in a tens place. Now next one. Now, in ones, how many beads are there? 1, 2. You are counting only simple. 1, 2. Write in this box 2. Now, in tens, how many beads are there? 2 beads. You are counting how to 10, 20. How to read, Amma? 10, 20. Like that. Because this is in a tens place. So, here how many beads? 2 beads. So, 10, 20. So, write in this box 20. Now 20 after you counting 2. 20 after 21 and 22. You get 20 plus 2, 22. Write in this box 22. Okay. Now last one, Amma. In a tens kept in your mind, you are reading 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. Don't read 1, 2, 3, 4. Only your ones you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Otherwise you do. Now next one, Amma. Last one. Now count it in ones. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, write in this box 6. Now in tens, how many beads? 1, 10, 20 and 30. So 30 plus 6. 30 after 6. 30 after 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. So 30 plus 6 you get 36. Write in this box. That's now do in test book this activity. Okay, Amma. Now page number vachesi 47. Once look at this page. This is your homework. Do in your test book. Still in a test book or any empty pages you can't write that. Fill up this test book total. Okay. Incomplete ఏమన్నా test book లో ఉంటే complete చేయండి. What is today homework, Amma? This is page number 47. Activity is there. That is doing your test book. In next class, I will start term 2, Amma. Still any doubts in these lessons and in these chapters? Please ask me. Okay. Now, thank you.